Welcome to Lee Hill Auto Service video series. Here's George and Billy to talk about our digital inspections.
Hi, I'm George, this is Billy. We're going to show you our process of doing a digital inspection before we pull the vehicle into the shop. We start out by getting a picture of the tag. That way our service writers know what the tag number is, and we look for any visual conditions that we need to note to the customer. We also get a picture of the inspection sticker. That way we know when the inspection is due, we can let the customer know ahead of time. We look for also anything like visual damage that may need some repairs as far as this windshield seal. We look for any scratch or dents or anything like that we make notations of. We'll do a complete walk around with pictures, anything that's noted, scratches. We'll also get a picture of the inside door sticker where the VIN and the production date is, as well as the tire sticker. That way we know what the tire pressure should be by the manufacturer, and also what the sizes are in case they do need tires. We know what size the tires are. We'll actually start the vehicle and look for any service reminder indicators that are in the dash, any warning lights as far as brake or check engine lights before we pull it in, and that way we can make a notation of that for our customer.